So tell us your name.
I'm Faith. Hello everybody, I'm Faith Kind-Hearted, all the way from Uganda to Nairobi, Kenya. Hey.
So guys, I want to ask about Museveni and Ugandan politics.
Oh.
I've noticed Uganda, they have been having only one president for a very long time. So I decided to ask, what's the deal with Museveni? Is it that Ugandans love Museveni, or is it delivering on development or something?
My God, what a topic. By the way, I'll talk on my behalf. I won't say Ugandans love Museveni, because like any other country, everybody wants to say change. Like me, I'm now yes, but I've never seen any other president. So like any other country, we need that change. We need to see somebody else, but the change is nowhere so far.
Let me ask you, between Bobi Wine and Museveni, who did you prefer to be the next president?
Automatically, it's Bobi, you know?
So you guys love Bobi Wine?
Of course, we love him. Like, he's somebody I can proudly say that I love.
But you keep voting from Museveni?
He voted himself, we didn't vote him.
He voted himself in?
Yes, he must be voting himself.
Just say this and Museveni watches this video. He will not go back to Uganda.
Seriously, let me tell you something. I was in my village. Like, I wasn't in my village because by the time of elections, I wasn't home, I was at work. But I could even talk to my granny. My granny is 90 plus, but you could hear her that she also wants change. So if my granny can vote for Bobi, and the biggest like percentage we have are the youth, that means everybody voted. But
so are you saying Museveni is using other ways to keep it, to stay in power?
No, he voted himself.
He voted himself. But I know also Museveni has been trying to, let's say, he never gave Bobi Wine an easy time while campaigning and stuff like that.
Of course, like you, like from the campaigns, you can automatically know that nothing was fair. Like me, I could always be on news and you'll be like, he's brutally beaten, he's arrested, he's doing this. So, if you are not scared of somebody, why would you be doing all that?
Guys, so actually, I am Dennis the National. This is on the streets of Nairobi. This is
the beautiful streets. I'm still shooting them. I'm not yet done.
Yeah, so subscribe to her channel. Like this video, guys. Like I said, I'll link her channel description on my description below.
Instagram channel, like
your Instagram?
Yeah, I have Instagram, I have Facebook, I have Twitter, I have everything.
Okay, you'll send me Instagram and then the link to your YouTube.
It's fine.
Yeah, guys, so thank you for always watching. I was just...
It was just a by the way. By the way, a quick disclaimer. We are not politicians, right? We are just giving our own views. As youth in East Africa and Africa, also we want to be part of the political landscape in Africa. Of course,
One of the reasons why Africa has remained behind in development is because we keep on choosing bad leaders.
We fear to talk.
But now we want to talk. We want to be part of the movement that makes sure Africa we have the best leaders who can deliver on their promises and bring development to Africa. So that is why I felt like it was good to ask her, because she is from Uganda and I am from Kenya, and Kenya we're having the same problems when it comes to
so far you guys are doing so better.
Politically,
because if we talk politically, look at the constructions, the roads. Come to Uganda and see dust. Because everywhere. But now I'm shooting, like I'm even enjoying to shoot the streets, you know?
But for me as a Kenyan, I still feel like our leaders have let us down in terms of policies, even development. This should have been something that should have been done long time ago, but it was just done recently.
But they have done it. I appreciate the fact that they have done it.
I'm glad that they have done it, but it has taken a long time, and most of the times it's not because there is no resources, but because of corruption and leaders who don't have that development mindset. So you guys also, if you think and feel like Bobi Wine can be a good leader and bring development to Uganda, then next time you guys should vote in numbers.
We voted.
So what happened? Museveni voted himself in.
The fact that internet was shut down on that very day.
M7.
Like you can know how everything was. But anyway, that is it.
So guys, thank you for watching this video.
And thank you, Dennis the Nation, for hosting us. Like, it's a pleasure, by the way, to be on your channel, because me, I'm a very small YouTuber, but inshallah, I'm getting there.
Yeah, you'll get there actually. So guys, actually go to her channel that I've put in the description below.
And
like her videos, watch, subscribe. Let's give her that.
Videos about Kenya, by the way, they should watch.
Yeah, watch. Maybe the videos I do, there's something I haven't shown you guys that she has done that you guys will love. So go to her channel, show her all the love.
Thank you.
I mean, she came all the way from Uganda to just visit Nairobi.
Thank you, Dennis.
You know, that creates a lot of employment for Kenyans.
But also you made it a little bit fun. But when we contacted you, you came to our restaurant. Thank you so much. By the way, somebody come in the comment section and type, thank you, Dennis. Me, I'll be there responding on his behalf. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you know, another thing I always believe in is like we are strong as a movement, you know. When everyone is showing every good part of Africa, you know, in any corner, I'll always support, because we have to change how the world views Africa. The world views Africa very negatively, by the way. You ask anyone in China, what do you think about Africa, and the response will blow your mind.
By the way,
just
I was in Kenya. It's just a by the way. I was in Qatar. I had, you know, there are always those stereo kind of people, and I was talking to my friends from Asia, kind of. They think here in Africa, like we don't have such things. They think we stay with the monkeys, we stay with the... So me, when I came back, I was like, no, let me show these guys that we have these skyscrapers which are very beautiful. Let me show them that we have these beautiful streets like the one of Nairobi, Kenya. Like I went all the way, like I wanted to do the whole East Africa, but because of COVID I didn't cover it all. But this is the start. I'm going to be moving. Like I have to show people that Africa has a lot to offer.
Yeah, guys. So you see, guys, that is the vibe we want in our channel. Yeah, people who are ready to show Africa to the world.
From this trip, I'm finishing this trip in Kenya. But after here, like 1 month, I'll be
coming back.
No, not coming back. I'm going to be shooting another trip still.
Oh, another country.
Yeah, like I'm going to show them Africa, left, right, center.
Yeah, like I've said so many times already. I'm also planning to go to Uganda.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I will explore all of Uganda.
I'm there. I'll be the tour guide. I'll be the tour guide, guys.
Museveni, if you're watching this, we the youth, we want a change in Uganda.
Inshallah, it will come.
Or if you want to stay in power, please bring a lot of development. The most important thing we want is not just a leader, but one who brings development. It doesn't matter who he is, but one who brings development. We need education in Africa. We need to change living standards and stuff like that. We don't want to see our mothers dying in poor hospitals because there's no medicine. You got to bring other lives, you end up losing your life as well. Like we need to see the young generation growing. We need to have hospitals with medical things in there. We need to see these beautiful streets in Uganda as well. Yeah, guys. You know? So when I go to Uganda, I will show you the streets of Uganda. I know there are also beautiful parts in Uganda. Hey, come to Uganda. You're most welcome, my brother. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe.